Okay, Japanese temple bell bronze Buddhist. This is a beautiful piece. It's let's see, I don't have a striker for it. I'm going to use these for these. Right, I'll list those in some time. Okay, so this particular bell right here has, let's see, this amazing, really cool chamfer style on the top section here. It's really nice. I've never seen one like that before. And it's gold plated on the top. Quite a sizable piece. And it's just gorgeous inside. And it's really nice. Really nice. So let us have a look, shall we? Generally I wouldn't strike it with something like this, you know, I'd use a bit of something more cushioned. So I'm just going to tap it very, very lightly, and just to give you an idea. Very nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely piece. So if you use some proper cushioning, even if you were to have something like that with cushioning, but with some proper cushioning you get that sort of more deeper kind of sound. So even just experimenting with this, I can vary the sound slightly. Right, that's that. I'm going to put it up on a 7-day listing to give people a chance. Really cheap, starting price, to give many an opportunity to own it, and it's really something. So whomever you shall be, in fact, what I should do is include some incense. Wouldn't that be nice? Let us peruse and find that. Oh, heads up! I've got some really amazing Buddhist stuff. It's just I've been hunting around and looking around, and just this stuff, and you know, I'm finding it. Don't worry, I'll get there. Alright, let's go and get some incense, shall we? I was on that the other day, jumping around. Fantastic time. Really glad to get back out there. Hope you guys saw this wooden bell thing. That was really cool. Right, I'm going to have to get around to listing him at some stage. Right, let's see now what we have in here. This is expensive stuff. Right then. Here's that. Yeah. You'll see all the farmer guys out there. I'll get around to that. They're building this new paddock thing. It looks really fantastic. Okay. Golden dragons. Wild horses. Just really cool stuff around here somewhere. Right. Now, okay, I will include this. This is expensive stuff. This is the real deal. Make this out of the matsu tree. It's great. So, there you are. That is a good deal. Okay, that's that, and I'm going to get onto these very soon. Yeah, that was that.